Indulge in the zenith of student living at Collegiate Eclipse, your ultimate heaven nestled in the lively heart of Cardiff. Featuring an enticing selection of chic ensuites and studios, this distinguished residence is meticulously curated to prioritize your comfort and convenience. Step into your expansive retreat, where expansive windows bathe the space in sunlight, offering breathtaking city vistas that inspire both study and relaxation. Nestle into the embrace of a lavish bed, ensuring rejuvenating slumber after a day filled with lectures. With a dedicated study nook, conquering assignments becomes effortless, while the spacious wardrobe offers ample storage for your attire and accessories. Explore the vibrant common areas where you can unwind with peers, enjoy a film in the private cinema, or invigorate your senses in the cutting-edge gym and fitness center. Need to tackle chores? No worries, the on-site laundry facility has got you covered. In terms of location, both the University of South Wales and TEG English Cardiff are just a leisurely stroll away, ensuring your academic pursuits are easily attainable. When the weekend arrives, discover the enchantments of Cardiff, from the serene Gorsted Gardens to the storied Cardiff Castle, forging unforgettable memories with friends along the way. With various transportation options conveniently nearby, navigating the allure of Cardiff is a breeze. Embrace the essence of student life at Collegiate Eclipse and embark on a voyage of exploration and enrichment. Reserve your spot today at amberstudent.com and elevate your university experience in Cardiff.